Hi kids, I'm Monkey Boy, and today we're going to have a blast with math. We'll learn about counting, adding, and subtracting with bananas. Are you ready? Let's get started. Lesson 1. Counting numbers from 1 to 10. Let's start counting how many bananas we have. That's right, 1 banana. Now, look at these 2 bananas. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. Yeah, let's dance with me and count again. 1, 2. Here are 3 bananas. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How about for bananas? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at these 5 bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 6 bananas. Count along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 7 bananas. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 8 bananas. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at 9 bananas. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally, 10 bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay kids, finally we counted numbers with my favorite fruit, banana. Okay kids, let's move to lesson number 2. The next lesson is addition with bananas. 1 banana plus 1 banana. We get 2 bananas. Let's add 1 banana plus 1 banana equals 2 bananas. Yummy! 2 bananas plus 1 banana. We get 3 bananas. Next, 2 bananas plus 1 banana makes 3 bananas. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. 2 bananas plus 2 bananas. We get 4 bananas. 2 bananas plus 2 bananas equals 4 bananas. That's a big bunch. Now, 3 bananas plus 2 bananas. We get 5 bananas. 3 bananas plus 2 bananas make 5 bananas. Great job! Okay, let's see 3 bananas plus 3 bananas. We get 6 bananas. 3 bananas plus 3 bananas equals 6 bananas. That's a lot of bananas. Okay then, 4 bananas plus 3 bananas. We get 7 bananas. 4 bananas plus 3 bananas make 7 bananas. Awesome! and 4 bananas plus 4 bananas. Here we get 8 bananas. 4 bananas plus 4 bananas equals 8 bananas. Yum! Here kids, 5 bananas plus 5 bananas. We get 10 bananas. Yeah! 5 bananas plus 5 bananas make 10 bananas. That's a perfect bunch. Also, 6 bananas plus 4 bananas. Again, we get 10 bananas. 6 bananas plus 4 bananas also equal 10 bananas. Great adding. Lesson 3. Subtraction with bananas. Okay kids, you can see we have 5 bananas here. If we eat 1 banana, how many bananas are left? That's right, we have 4 bananas. We have 6 bananas. If we eat 2, how many are left? Correct, 4 bananas. Start with 7 bananas. After eating 3, how many are left? Yes, 4 bananas. If you start with 8 bananas and eat 4, how many are left? That's right, 4 bananas. We start with 9 bananas. If we eat 5, how many are left? Correct, 4 bananas. With 10 bananas and eating 6, how many are left? Yes, 4 bananas. 8 bananas minus 3 bananas leaves us with 5 bananas. Fantastic. Then, let's start with 7 bananas. If we eat 2, how many are left? That's right, 5 bananas. With 6 bananas and eating 1, how many are left? Correct, 5 bananas. Start with 5 bananas. If we eat 2, how many are left? Yes, 3 bananas. Okay kids, it's the end of today's math lesson. Thanks for joining me today for Math Fun with Bananas. I hope you enjoyed counting, adding, and subtracting. See you next time for more adventures.